Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. You deserve to start your day with the perfect grind, no matter where you are. The OX grinder from Nuttii combines sleek, minimalist design with professional grade performance. Crafted for coffee enthusiasts who value both style and exceptional results. I'm telling you, the coffee I made from this grinder is the best I have ever made. Now it's designed for 1 to 2 cups of coffee. It's a compact grinder, so it's ideal for travel. It's gonna give you fresh coffee wherever your journey takes you. Why settle for mediocre coffee just because you're on the go? So whether you're an avid camper, whether you enjoy hiking and taking coffee with you, or whether you're just visiting your parents like I do and you know you have to bring your own coffee. With 20 adjustable settings, it's gonna have versatility for all sorts of brewing methods. You're gonna get a perfect grind every time. This is a rechargeable grinder, so you don't even have to worry about missing out on the perfect cup of coffee if you have no power. It's compact and built to last. This grinder is going to ensure fresh coffee wherever you go. It has a low speed grinding, so keep that in mind. That reduces heat and friction. It's going to preserve the natural oils and aroma of your coffee beans, and it operates very quietly. So if you really care about the coffee that you're making, you need to try this grinder. It comes in several different colors, and it is going to deliver on flavor. I guarantee you are going to be shocked by how delicious this coffee is, how easy this grinder is to use. You're going to want to take it with you everywhere you go. And that is my point of view.